Good day traders, this is Rich. Today we're going to do a StockPair review, go over what they offer, how you can get started, and what you need to get started with. So first we'll just go over the platform itself, web-based, pretty basic. You can trade on your iPhone, iPad, or tablet PC, but until you're ready to do that, let's go over what it looks like on your computer, whether it's a PC or Mac. You can trade either one and you'll be good to go. So more or less it's a basic trading station, and all you have to do is open an account, and the minimum to open an account is $200, and you can open it in multiple currencies, but we're just going to focus on the US currency at this point. Okay, so one of the things you should look at on this site is the market review. The market review is like a blog. As you can see here, July 22nd is today's date, and if you look at it, it goes over what's happening right now. It's kind of interesting. You can use it as some information for your trading, and it definitely helps as a trader. The next section I want to go over is the guide. The guide is your basic setup of how to get started in binary options trading. If the binaryoptionsu.com doesn't have all the information that you need, you can come here and find out what binary options are, what pair options are, why trade with StockPair, get a trade simulator. So if you're looking for a binary options demo account, StockPair is a great place to go as well. So there's plenty of information about binary options trading on the StockPair website, and you'll be good to go once you start reading it. So let's go to the nuts and bolts of StockPair, and that's the platform. And the platform is pretty simple. Not much to it. Very simple to use. And all you have to do is figure out which asset you want to trade, and you have multiple assets to trade. So in this section we have currencies, we have stocks of the US, we have stocks of Europe, indices of both US and Europe, and commodities. You can also trade Australian stocks, which are closed right now because the Australian markets are closed. So what we'll do right now is we're going to look at a pound dollar currency trade. And what I'm going to do is, while we do the video, is take a trade right now. I first have to log into my account. Okay, so we are logged in right now, and what I'm looking at here is the price rising on the pound dollar over the past, we'll call it several hours. Actually, it's almost like half a day, and it's currently at 1.53707. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a put option for $30 just to show you how you can get in a trade. It's very easily, and that's all you have to do. So we're currently in a put option trade on a 5-minute trade, hoping it goes to the south side, and this is just kind of the tick chart that occurs after entry is made, and this is the line that you're out, and this is the line that you're in. So right now we're currently in the trade, in the money is what I mean. And over here it gives you the information about your trade, your entry, and the current price, and the price action that it's doing. And here shows you if you're in the money, how much your payoff will be if it wins, what your investment is, and what time the expiry is. So we do have about 4 minutes to go. As this trade is finishing up, I'll go over a couple more things that you need to know about StockPair. First thing I want to go over are the deposits. Pretty simple to make a deposit. All you need is a Visa or MasterCard. You can do a wire transfer, use a Money Booker's account, iDeal or Cashew wallet. You fill out your information and everything will be finished accordingly. Now sometimes things do take a little bit of time to get completed, both on the deposit side and the withdrawal side. So just remember, it's not instant deposit and it's not instant withdrawal. So just remember that. You might want to contact support for more information. There's a live chat button on the site that you can use to get more information about that. Another thing I want to go over are the commodities and how you can trade them. Now here's gold. Currently it's paying 67%, which is kind of weak on a 5-minute. 10-minute is kind of where you want to be. At least get your 71%. 15-minute you get a little bit more. So 80% is nice at 15 minutes. And remember, you can trade 30 minutes, you can trade 60 minutes, and you can trade end of the day, and you can trade up to 150 days, which is not available on this one right now. But on certain stocks and commodities, it is available. So something to consider if you're looking to trade commodities or gold or source. And then, if you do on the currencies, it's sort of the same thing. You got 15 minute pays 73, 30 minutes pays more, 60 minutes will pay more. And as you get up and increase your time, it's going to increase your payout rate. So just something to consider if you're a 5-minute trader or end of the day trader. Definitely end of the day trader, you're going to get a nice payout. So remember that. And we'll go back to our trade, see how it's doing. And currently it is in favor by 1.5373, and it's currently at 1.53693. So we're looking good, looking at 4 pips right now, but we do have some time to go. And you can see this taskbar or status bar. This is the 5 minutes from beginning of the opening to the close. So by the time it starts, the 5 minutes, and it'll close right here. So, and this tells you your entry, how much you put in, and what your payout will be if it's a winner. If it's a loser, it will be 0. That's just part of binary options trading. It's all or nothing. Okay, another thing I want to go over are pair options trading. Now, pair options trading is relatively new, and this is what StockPair is really known for. So you can trade a pair, which is like Facebook, Google, Facebook, Yahoo, Google, Apple, Exxon, BP, McDonald's, Starbucks, so something in the same field, and who will finish or perform better from the entry point you get in and how it will close at the end of the trading day. So in a Facebook Google situation, obviously Facebook, if it wins, you'll get 111% payout, and if Google wins, you'll get a 30% payout. So right now, if you think Google's going to finish ahead of Facebook, which looks like it might happen, it's only 29%, but it's going to take a lot for Facebook to win this trade. So it might play out pretty good to get that 25%. Yeah, you're only going to get 25%, but the odds of Facebook winning here are slimmer. That's why the payout is much higher. So something to consider if you start pair option trading. Make sure you research that first, and hopefully you'll have a good trade when you do take it. Now here's the trade we're in right now at the pound dollar. We're still in the money, and the trade should be closing up right now, and it's now currently closed. You can see it's closed here. So this was a winner for us. Nice to take a winning trade when you're doing a video. So we'll take that and walk away. Now there's plenty of stuff to go on at StockPair, but to be honest with you, it's a very simple platform. Everything here is in front of you. I wouldn't worry too much about the sentiment. As you can see, I took a put option, and the sentiment was at 39% to go down and 61% to go up. So I went against the overall sentiment. Not something you really need to consider when trading. Make sure you have good charts like we talk about on Binary Options U. All the information about trading is on that site, and we just want to share our broker with you, go over a review of StockPair, give you kind of the nuts and bolts. It's pretty simple to get set up, pretty simple to get trade. You can trade binaries and pairs. The binaries are just literally 2 clicks. 1 click here, and then 1 click on the buy button. Yeah, you gotta make a couple adjustments for your time frame, and the price you want to pay per trade, and then hitting the buy button is simple as that. So this was a good trade for us. I'm pretty excited that this worked out, and we will close out this video right now. If you do have any questions about StockPair or anything else, you can leave a comment below, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you want more reviews on other brokers, list those as well. We're definitely adding more and more brokers as we move forward. Just be careful. Make sure you know what you're doing before you start trading. Make sure you get your demo account, and you'll be good to go. So this is Rich with BinaryOptionsU.com, and we'll talk to you in the next video.